In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report a Roth IRA conversion in Turbotax. We'll walk through the exact path inside Turbotax so you can enter this information correctly and move through the IRA section with confidence. This process takes place in the deductions area where Turbotax asks follow-up questions about traditional and Roth IRA activity. The key here is to answer each screen carefully, since even small wording differences can affect how the transaction is treated. Start by going to the top menu and hovering over Deductions and Credits. From there, open the Deductions and Credits summary. This will bring you to the main page where TurboTax lists different tax-related categories you can review or update. Next, find the section labeled Traditional and Roth IRA Contributions. Once you see it, click Edit. This opens the part of the return where you can review retirement contributions and make sure the Roth IRA details are entered the way TurboTax expects. On the next screen, select Roth IRA, then click Continue. This tells TurboTax that you want to work specifically with Roth IRA related entries rather than another retirement account type. You'll then come to a question asking whether you contributed to a Roth IRA in 2025. For this walkthrough, select Yes, and then click Continue. Be sure to read the wording on this page closely, especially if your transaction involved a conversion rather than a regular annual contribution, because TurboTax often uses interview-style questions to sort out the correct tax treatment behind the scenes. After that, TurboTax asks whether the contribution was a repayment of money you previously took out of a retirement plan. On this screen, choose Yes, then click Continue. This is an important part of the flow shown here, so make sure your answer matches the transaction you are entering in your own return. Once that's done, continue through the next screen as shown. At this stage, TurboTax may display a confirmation or follow-up page before moving you forward. Just continue to proceed. As a general tip, move slowly through each IRA question and review the wording before clicking ahead. TurboTax's retirement sections can sometimes feel repetitive, but that's normal. The software is trying to determine how to categorize the transaction and whether any tax consequences apply. And that's it. That's how to report a Roth IRA conversion in TurboTax by navigating through the Deductions and Credits section, opening the Traditional and Roth IRA Contributions area, selecting Roth IRA, and continuing through the interview prompts shown on screen.